How to reset your Braemar ducted heater. Error code, fix tutorial. Step 1. Turn off the heater, locate the wall controller, thermostat, and turn the system off. Step 2. Power cycle. The unit, go to your main power switch or circuit breaker. Turn off the power to the heater unit. Wait at least 30 seconds, preferably 1 minute. Turn the power back on. Step 3. Restart the system. Turn the system back on from the wall controller. The unit will perform a self-check and attempt to restart. Error code meaning fix. What to do? A. Run. Ignition. Failure. Reset the unit. If it persists, check the gas. E2 overheat. High limit temp check for blocked vents or filters. E3 flame detected. When off needs technician. Flame sensor issue. E4 combustion fan error reset. If recurring, fan may be jammed. Faulty. E10 return air sensor error. Ensure sensor is connected or replace it. E99 communication fault check connections or reset power.